Curious about AgTech, but unsure of what it can do for you and whether it's worth the effort and cost? In partnership with the Victorian Government, BCG is holding 3 two-day training sessions for advanced AgTech users across the Wimmera and Southern Mallee in Victoria. These training sessions will provide hands-on experience in using commercially viable AgTech solutions to improve productivity, profitability and risk management. Using their own machine, agronomic and production data, attendees will improve their skills in data collection, cleaning and analysis to support improved decision making and enable their own on-farm AgTech trials. Visit the BCG website for more information and to reserve your place.